Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So friends, I am going to unboxing the Pura 80 Pro and Pura 80 Ultra. So this is a very good phone, fabulous phone. Okay, so I am going to show you how to unboxing this Pura 80 and Pura Ultra. So this is a very good phone, guys. Believe me, really, it's look like very nice, and the display, you are saying the camera quality and the appearance, the body structures, everything is looking so nice. And here there is, you can see that I am going to unboxing the Pura 80 Pro. So this is a Pura 80 Pro with a golden color. Okay, and it's amazing, guys. It's look like a very thin phone and very lightweighted phone. And the best part is this, the color is very so adorable. Guys. So here you see the first one is Pura 80 and second one is Pura Ultra. So and the presentation of camera is also very good. Here you can see that a glassy screen, and here both are together. Very nice and sticky phone. The camera quality is very nice, and also in this camera there is a 10x, and the 10x quality is very fine. Here what's covers in the what is inside the box. So here you found a cover. Okay, so the cover is also very nice, and here adapter and cable. So here 100-watt adapter is present in the box. Okay, and here is a Pura 80 cover. Okay, so cover is also very nice, very decent color. Here the Pura 80, and what is in the box of what present in the box of Pura 80. Here you see that is a cable and power adapter. So here also again 100-watt. Okay, and here a cover for this phone Pura 80. So it is a white classy cover. So very good phone, guys. Believe me, it's very good phone.